going on, guys? I'm gonna do a little tutorial on swapping out these lights. I got some smoked out lights that are sequential turn signals, so we're gonna throw them on there. Alright, so I just went to the local parts store and got a suction cup. Alright, so we're just gonna try to center this as best as we can. Lock it in, and then we're just gonna pull evenly. So here's the 3 clips that you're gonna have to pry all at once. And what I did is I just took a little pry tool and put it on the outside here. Once I got enough leverage to kind of just bring it up through here and pop the rest of these out. The only screw that has to come out is this one here. The rest you don't have to worry about. And if you look at it, you got 3 bolts. You got one up top here. You got another one down in there, it's hard to really tell. And then you have one here. And then in order to pop this little bottom trim off, you have one in here as well. Once you pop this trim off, you can see the way it comes off. You got 1 bolt that goes into there, 1 screw. You got these 3 that you kind of gotta hit at the same time. And then these 2 at the bottom, one at the bottom right, one up here, just kind of pries off if you just kind of wiggle it like this. You take it and just kind of bend it like this and pull it out.